Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. This is Halsey's Lucky. Alright, and perhaps you heard another song called Lucky sometimes, like 15 years ago or so. Yes, you're sure for that. That is Britney Spears, and this one has some similarities for sure. So this is Halsey's version of Lucky. Let's take a look at this one. No need for capo here, okay? So let's go over the chords needed for this song. And we have 4 chords. So that will be F, A minor, G, and C. Starting with F, that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret. You bar all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. You have A minor next chord. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. You have G, and we have third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B this time, and third E. And the final chord will be C. And that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so we're gonna look at the strumming now, and this strumming is divided into 2 different parts. Okay, so we're gonna look at the full strumming as it is, and then I'm gonna tell you where the split goes. So 1 full round, if you grab the F, that's the first chord, it goes like this. Okay. And then you have like this, down, clap, down, down, clap. That's 1 round. So, down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, so. Okay, that's the first verse, and you saw we split between A minor and G there. So the split goes after the first clap. So first part will be down, clap. Okay? So first part down, clap, and the second part down, down, clap. So yeah, if we look at the verse now, we have 1 full round of F, down, clap, down, down, clap. Then A minor, part 1, down, clap, and then you quickly change to G and play part 2, down, down, clap. That is 1 chord progression round. F1, A minor part 1, and G part 2. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. A couple of rounds goes like this. All right, that's the verse play. 4 rounds of that. Then over to a pre-chorus. Now you're gonna play F, 1 full round, G part 1, and A minor part 2. So you switch between these 2 chords. You're gonna play that for 1 round. So we can do that first, and we're not finished yet with the pre-chorus, but we'll start with that part first. F1, G part 1, A minor part 2. Okay, then comes this part. Oh, sorry for the bad sound there. Like this. So you're gonna pick from the G chord, and the important note here will be the 3rd B string. Okay? You're gonna combine that and give the bass a kick as well. So these 2 notes are important, the 3rd fret E string in the bass and the 3rd B string. If you can pick more strings than that from the actual chord, like strings in between as well, that is nice. Pick once, then you go to C and do like this. So again, use the bass note, which is the 3rd fret A string here. You're gonna pick that together with the open E string. These are the important notes. If you can pick strings in between as well, that is always better. Gives more depth to it. So pick that once, and then the open G string 1 time as well. So that's the C part, and then F. Here are the important notes. will be the first fret in E string, that's the bass note, and the melody note here will be the second fret G string. These two are important. Strings in between, it's great if you can get that as well. So that is the end of the pre-chorus. Again, I'm gonna repeat everything so you connect everything together. It was strumming, F, one string around, G part 1, A minor part 2, and then comes this G, C, and F. All right, so that's the end of the pre-chorus number 1. Over now to chorus. So you're gonna play F, one full round, A minor part 1, and G part 2. In the same way as the verse, you're gonna play that for 4 rounds. We learned that already, so we don't have to do that. That is the chorus. After that comes the post-chorus part. All right, so you're gonna play F, one string around, G part 1, and A minor part 2. Then you're gonna repeat the G, C, C, and F. All right, so that is the exact same as the pre-chorus part. You're gonna play exactly the same as that, and that is the first post-chorus parts. Next round of everything, it will be the second verse now, playing in the same way as the first one, and the same goes also with the second pre-chorus and the second chorus, okay? And then the post-chorus parts, we don't have any at this point. It's just after the first chorus, okay? At this point. So, after this second chorus, we are about 2 minutes and 3 seconds into the song, comes the bridge part, okay? So now we're gonna play F, one string around, A minor part 1, and G part 2. You're gonna play that portion for 3 rounds. So F, one string, A part 1, G part 2, 3 rounds. And after that, you're gonna play again. Okay, so exactly the same as the pre-chorus again. Okay, so there you have the bridge part, but then it continues. You're gonna play one pre-chorus part, but then it continues again with this portion of F1, A minor part 1, and G part 2 for 3 rounds. So imagine you play one pre-chorus part plus again F1, A minor part 1, G part 2 for 3 rounds. That is the bridge part. Okay, so after that, A minor part 1 and G part 2 in the bridge, it's a pause there. That pause builds up for the next part. And in that pause, there's a vocal part only where she sings, "That's the biggest lie of my career." All right, so that is during the pause that builds up for the next parts of the song. And the next parts will be the third chorus and even the fourth chorus. They come right after each other. So we have, again, the same playing there, F1, A minor part 1, and G part 2 for 4 rounds, both in chorus 3 and chorus 4. So that means you just go 8 rounds of that chorus play. And that is almost the end of the song. It follows with an outro part, and the outro goes F, one full round, A minor part 1, G part 2. We know that by now. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds, and that is the end. The end of Halsey's Lucky. All right, so a great song to bring up again, dust it off a little bit from Britney's version, and do it in a little bit newer 2024 version. So give it a try, guys. Fits guitar perfectly well. Only 4 chords, no capo, very easy strumming. So yeah, this is from me to you. Hope you enjoyed it, and give me something back. Like or subscribe would be nice. Thank you so much, and play tuned.